In today's video, I will walk you through how to delete a price alert on Investing.com. Ever get tired of receiving push notifications for a trade you closed weeks ago? Clutter in your alert feed leads to noise, and noise leads to missed signals. Today, we're breaking down how to quickly delete and clean up your old price alerts on Investing.com so your workflow stays razor sharp. Let's dive in. First, open up Investing.com on your desktop or mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Just like editing, deleting alerts is easiest when handled from your centralized dashboard. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and open up Alert Center. This brings up your complete list of active and triggered price alerts across all markets. Scan through your list to identify any targets that are no longer relevant to your current strategy. Right next to each alert item, you'll see a delete icon, typically represented by a small trash can. Click the trash can icon for the alert you want to remove. Confirm the prompt if a pop-up asks you to verify the deletion. Regularly reviewing and removing old price alerts helps keep your notifications organized and prevents unnecessary alerts from distracting you during active market conditions. Maintaining a clean list also makes it easier to manage multiple assets if you monitor several markets at the same time. It's also a good habit to review your active alerts whenever you update your trading plan. Removing outdated alerts ensures that the notifications you receive continue to match your current market strategy and investment goals. And that's how to delete a price alert on Investing.com.